lik your Acer N19H2 want turn on. We are Kelato Site, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue typically arises from a dead battery or a faulty power supply. We carefully assess the device to determine the exact cause, and if necessary, we replace the battery or repair the power section. A simple fix can get your laptop working again in no time. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.